Today, AI is no longer just a buzzword or a piece of tech in the news. It's a tool that can literally change your life and open doors to income you never imagined. The big question is, how can you make thousands of dollars with AI? Let me show you. First, let's be clear. AI doesn't print money, but it saves your time, boosts your productivity, and creates new opportunities. Here are some powerful ways to make money with it. 1. Digital services. Use AI to design logos, write articles, or even create short videos. On platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, clients are paying thousands for these services, if you know how to use the tools right. 2. E-commerce. AI can help you write product descriptions, enhance images, and even handle customer support. This gives you an edge to run a successful online store, right from home. 3. Content and YouTube. AI tools can help you write scripts, generate ideas, and produce videos faster than ever. Entire YouTube channels powered by AI are making crazy monthly profits. 4. Smart marketing. Every business needs marketing. With AI, you can create optimized ad campaigns, target the right audience, and multiply your profits. 5. Learning and selling knowledge. If you master AI tools, you can build courses and sell them online. This is one of the fastest growing ways to generate consistent income. But here's the truth. The real secret isn't the tool itself, it's the person using it. Success requires passion, creativity, and patience. AI is a means, not the end. Start small, one service, one project, or even one video, and scale it up until you reach numbers you never thought possible. AI is the opportunity of our time, and it could be your key to making your first $1,000 online. The real question is, are you ready to start, or will you just watch others win? If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned, because the next video might just change your life.